So I just flown this helicopter with Matt a couple minutes ago, and I will put right now the video of it. Was kind of amazing thing to do, and I think this is kind of, it was super stable and it took off in only 400 RPM. It's amazing platform, and jump in right now and you can see it. So I'm gonna fly right now the space helicopter with Matt. This is Matt, is one of the builder, and he will have full control over it. And
you want to try it? You gonna try it?
I'm gonna try. So they're checking the battery and checking the temperature of it.
11, yeah, sounds right. So all you have is cyclic and yaw.
Okay.
Power me when you want to be battery.
Yeah.
Mine?
There you go. And I might override you if I don't like what you're doing.
Okay, I'm just gonna move it side to side. I'm gonna do like a turn with it. So I'm at full cyclic backwards.
I know, there's a little bit of a trim off there.
Okay. Aha, so you flying. You cheating.
Yeah. Alright. I'm going to take over.
Okay, you're gonna let it?
Yeah. Okay. Like the real one, so.
But it's the exact size of the real one on Mars.
The motor is the exact same.
I'm talking about the whole
thing. Everything is, yeah. We're using a different battery pack and different avionics, but yeah.
But basically, it's the same exact what's up there.
If you walked up to this on Mars or the other one, you wouldn't know the difference. This all is the same. There's open contacts on Mars. It's just exposed to the dust. It's crazy.
Wow.
Incredible. Thanks.
So how many RPMs did it take off with? Because it was looked like very slow. 400 RPM?
Yeah. That was fine.
So they're gonna charge it and it's gonna go again. They're checking the temperature. Seems to be getting a little bit hot, and then it's gonna go up again.